Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Hyundai Motorhome emphasizes innovation, comfort, and sustainability while referencing a number of other recreational vehicle or V designs and variations. Here is a synopsis of some of the main ideas, platform and technology. A solid and dependable basis is demonstrated by the usage of Hyundai's EGMP platform in some models, which is also utilized in the Ioniq 9. Common features include cutting-edge technologies like multi-zone, climate control, touchscreen infotainment systems, and sophisticated driver assistance functions. Comfort and design, a contemporary aerodynamic appearance with expansive panoramic windows that let in plenty of natural light. Plush interior with premium materials that are intended to be both comfortable and useful. Various sleeping and seating arrangements, depending on the model. It can accommodate for 2 to 6 people. Features and variations. Some versions emphasize robust features, 6-wheel drive, and exceptional off-road capability, with features like a fully furnished kitchenette and lots of storage space. Some models place an emphasis on comfort during long-distance travel. There is also a Hyundai H100-based motorhome variant that prioritizes comfort, functionality, and contemporary technology. Emphasis on sustainability, including eco-friendly technologies, such as hybrid or electric drivetrain alternatives. Smart technology, a sizable touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, smartphone connectivity including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a top-tier sound system for entertainment are all included in the dashboard. Real-time information on engine performance, trip information, and fuel efficiency is provided by the digital instrument cluster. Advanced safety to help maneuver in confined places. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear parking sensors. Airbags are positioned strategically for the driver, and Hyundai has strengthened the body structure for improved crash protection.